Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Rocket Espresso Milano or Rocket R58 espresso machine. And for this machine, it was brought here because there was steam coming out on top of the steamer boiler. And it was this vacuum release valve that needed to be replaced. It was not actually holding a seal inside the boiler and it was letting steam coming out through here. So we ended up replacing that, and now as you can see, we're on temperature. There's no steam coming out over here. And yeah, that's all we did to the espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test out the machine. Hopefully I pick out the right grind settings, so that otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And I might have used really fine settings for this machine, but no, still it's keeping up perfectly. I definitely did not tamper properly because we are not having a good straight line right away. It's a little bit hard to use the bottom of this basket. You just have to get used to it though. But excellent shot of espresso, working perfectly fine. The steamer looks really nice and powerful. Really good temperature as well. And hot water. Working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Rocket R58 working once again. So thank you for having Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.